The AFS off light in your Mazda means that the adaptive front lighting system is not operable right now because one of the components is broken or disconnected. The AFS system consists of the motors in the headlights or actuators that move the beam, and the AFS module, a lot of wires, and also suspension height sensors. Usually in Mazda vehicles there is one height sensor in the front suspension and another one in the rear end of the car. Basically, these sensors are the culprits of the AFS off light in 90% of cases. The sensor is super simple. This is a lever that is mounted on two parts of the suspension, and when the car gets some load, the body moves down and these sensors bend a little, changing the voltage they send to the control module. So the module knows the height of the suspension at every moment and can operate the low beam direction to adjust it automatically when needed. These sensors move along with the suspension when you just drive on uneven roads or put some bags into the trunk of your car. So over time, the contact area in these sensors just wears out and stops sending proper voltage to the system. You can buy OEM or aftermarket sensors, it doesn't matter much as long as they have proper resistance levels and send proper voltage to the AFS module. These units last for about 10 years or 120,000-150,000 miles, so you may even get them used from a wrecked car and pay peanuts instead of paying a fortune in the dealership. But before you buy and install new sensors, you will also want to recalibrate the system, and it may reset the AFS off warning light. For this, follow this procedure. Turn on the ignition, deactivate AFS in the settings of your car, turn off the ignition, wait for 5 seconds, turn on the ignition again, activate the AFS in the settings, turn off the ignition and wait for 5 seconds. Now turn on the ignition and see if the lights are moving as they should. Now drive for several minutes and see if this clears the AFS light. It will work if the system was somehow out of calibration, but of course this will not repair a broken suspension height sensor, so don't put a lot of hope on this reset. Anyway, all cases that I know about with the AFS off light were about the broken suspension sensors.